if the Honda will knock that snow off there. So I would have liked to went a little bit faster going down this hill to really push that snow to the side, but it's uneven, and I was afraid that if I got going too fast I was going to get hung up. And about right here in this area I did, actually twice. So I was afraid that if I got going too fast I would hit a spot like that and break something. So I took my time, took it slow, so that I would be costing me more money. Well, that wasn't too bad. Got down there. Maybe it'll melt some. But it worked. So right here has got number 57 stone, and it's very thick, and so I've been plowing up some, but I got that ABS pipe on the cutting edge, but I'm having to keep it up off the gravel about like that because it's still wanting to dig in with the ABS. So I'm going to try it with about a 1/2 inch off the ground and see how that does. So there we go. The little Honda done it again. I'll tell you a little story of what happened here. That blade right there goes on my Craftsman T210 lawn tractor. Well, it went down on me yesterday evening. The choke throttle cable snapped. Guess where it was so cold. So I had to rig it up and bolt it. And I just use that strap right there to get it up off the ground when I need to. These right here are driveway markers. Just rigged it up on there. And then for ballast, this was a box that was actually on the front, but when I had to do some work on it, I took it off. So I just used it and put it on the back here and filled it with firewood. That gave me some extra weight back there. So yeah, the little Honda really done a good job of cleaning the snow off this driveway to be a two-wheel drive. Done a really good job. But that's all of this video. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate you stopping by. And until the next time, take care. Y'all come back now, you hear?